not over there. Yeah, right here.
Mom, what's that?
Where?
Bubbles.
Just bubbles.
Why are there bubbles?
Because it's mucky. Let her walk down a little further. She goes, it's mucky.
Oh, she's gonna drink it.
Ooh.
I don't think I want to put that back on.
Welcome to Santa Fe.
And I don't know what that is. I don't think I want to touch it again. Yeah, it's lucky.
You're more fun than the dog.
Come here, Fang. Sit on the dock.
You're taking all the fun out of it.